afternoon, everybody. It's that time. It's that time for a cruise. We received our medallions in the mail. Let's open these up. This is for our 28-day Hawaii Tahiti cruise on board the Crown Princess, March 17th through April 14th, sailing round trip out of San Pedro, California. We're looking forward to it. We've never been on the Crown Princess. We've been on the Ruby and the Grand Princess as far as the Grand class ships. From everything that I see, it looks like it's a sister ship to the Ruby. So we do like the Ruby Princess. Beautiful ship. And the Grand Princess as well. So let's check our medallions out, shall we? See what they look like. Hopefully we got the right colors. They are the right color this time. All right. Let's see if they came with the clip or a medallion or a lanyard. Sometimes these come with a lanyard, sometimes I heard they're coming with the a clip instead. Okay, yes, no more. Nope, it's the lanyard. So it's not just a clip, it's the lanyard that goes around your neck, and this clips here. So we have the wristband holders that we'll use. So we're excited for the cruise, and we're going to take you with us. 28 days, a lot of sea days, a lot of sea days. And I want to thank our 800 subscribers that have stuck with us. Thank you very much. Hit that like button, ring that bell for more notifications, and you'll be notified when we have a video come out. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day, and we'll see you on board. Bye-bye.